Welcome back to the Small Lab channel. If you're anything like me, you might have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, and you might not want to waste GPT Codex quota that you get every month. So for me, what I would like to do is I wanted to use a mixture of models, like I can use Gemini for planning and then Codex for implementing the code, for example. And recently I have found out that inside CLI tool called opencode that you can install for free, you can actually do that. But then to use ChatGPT login, to use that quota, you need a plugin. And today I will show you exactly how to install that plugin and get it working together. So let's get in. Let's see how to install opencode. So here you can use code commands. Let's copy it, come back. Then we're gonna run this. Okay, it's installing. It's done. Is it? Let's reset one time. Okay, we are running it again. Okay, we finally have it. So it's asking for accesses. So now that we have opencode installed and opened, let's see like which provider we can connect to. So we can connect, right? And then we can type OpenAI. But when we pick OpenAI, it's forcing us to put in API key, which is not what we want. We want to use the quota that we have inside our ChatGPT account. So we're gonna need some plugin to do this. It's just a plugin that you need to insert into your opencode, and then it will be able to authenticate with OpenAI account through OAuth, or basically your email login. So it's been updated like about 3 days ago, and that's for supporting GPT 5.2, which is really good at coding. So we are in good luck here. And the way that you can install this plugin is through setting up this configuration. You can do this by clicking this full opencode.json, right? So this is the example of how you should put in your config to access all of the GPT-5 models. So that's how it is. And then, so let's see, you can put like cd and then .config and then opencode, right? And then we can, let's say I'll pull up VS Code, and then we can create like new file, which is called opencode.json. Then we can paste what we just copied inside this thing. Then we can come back to our terminal, and then let's reset everything, and then we can just launch opencode. Then what we should see is that we are now, let's go to connect and then OpenAI. Then now we can choose to authenticate with ChatGPT Plus. So I will click that and use my Gmail account for that. Then continued. And here we go. We got access granted. So it means that if we go back to WAP, now we can choose like GPT Codex models, or we can even choose like, GPT 5.2, like low, high, medium, extra high, whatever, which is like state of the art, and then talk with it. So let's try using like GPT 5.1 Codex Max, let's say. Codex Max low. Then we can try asking something. Wait a bit. You can see that on the right hand side we have this context windows. So it's used up like 10,000 tokens, and yeah, we got the response back, so it's working. And we know we can press tab to switch between the planning and the building models, and you can use GPT 5.2 as well. So here we go. Yeah, enjoy. That's it.